Hello friends, today's topic, which stocks are going up according to 30 DMA. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. Nifty current level 24,768. Nifty 30 DMA 24,180. So currently Nifty is trading above the 30 DMA. It crossed the 30 DMA around 2nd December, has since been on a general uptrend. Please note, number one, that this video is only showing a list of stocks which have recently crossed the 30 DMA. 2. Usually when a stock crosses the 30 DMA, there is a higher probability of a rally taking place in the short term. 3. Short-term trades require good risk appetite, especially overall markets are on the weaker side. 4. This information may be more useful for our workshop graduates since they are aware of how to enter and manage short-term trades. Stocks which crossed 30 DMA recently. India Mart Intermesh, current price 2386, 30 DMA 2362. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, current price 833, 30 DMA 831. Tejas Network, current price 1327, 30 DMA 1323. Mahanagar Gas, today's price 1297, 30 DMA 1287. Nestle India, current price 2253, 30 DMA 2249. Container Corporation, current price 826, 30 DMA 825. Deepak Nitrate, current price 2680, 30 DMA 2679. ACC, current price 2248, 30 DMA 2235. The following are the stocks which are having RSI less than 30. Usually it is said that when the RSI starts rising above 30, it is a bullish signal. Stocks with RSI less than 30. Asian Paints 2408, RSI 29.68. Godrej Consumer, current price 1111, RSI 28.11. Arvind Fashions, current price 521, RSI 28.12. GlaxoSmith Pharma, current price 2254, RSI 29.91. Prince Pipes, current price 423, RSI 29.71. It will be a good practice activity for investors to study the technical analysis graphs of these companies and to learn from it. Some of these stocks can be kept in your watch list and can be tracked. When the right opportunity for short-term trades arise, you can take the decision accordingly. If you are alert and have good knowledge of technical analysis, you can take advantage of small rallies even when there is an overall downward trend in the economy. So especially if you are in need of some profits in short term, spend 20 minutes at night every day to look for any short term opportunity. End of the video, here is a question. Have you learned technical analysis to help you make short term trades? Yes or not yet? In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.